nothing compares to this. What a beautiful name it is. That day, bring it us your build of faith. Seems like everyone believes in love. With something special, free, and you say, oh please, make my wish come true. Stand on the wall, leave it. We'll be all alone under the mistletoe. Santa, can you hear me? I have been so good with you. Oh, it's one thing. Tell me my true love is here. It's all I want, just I need. Underneath my Christmas tree, I'll be waiting here. Santa, that's my only wish this year. I hope my letter reaches you in time. Oh yeah, bring me love I can call on mine.
Ayan, signature ng tayo. Sila mas ngalan. Cell number.
So, kung mga class.
Ayun ka lang. Sa pangalan mo. Cell number.
Yeah, atong t-shirt na.
Of course, it has continued to.
Medyo tigulang na. Muna akong mga batchmates na tinigalingkod, no? So, tanawin niyo po sila. Yeah. Hindi ko ano. So, ako mo sa'yo namupya kay Gino. So, I started early in Oles, no? Kasi kami daghan kami sa pamilya. We are 6. Sunod-sunod pa yun eh. So, I was the youngest. And before me was Gerard. A year older than me. So, ako mama, naman din sa Oles.
Principal man to yung mom.
So, ang pag-isip ko, I think I was still 4 years old or younger. Di pa, di pa kindergarten ako sa kumama. No? Kaya para, huwag may mabilis sa balay. So, yun na lang sa kuwan. So, it was, kanang, what do you call it? Sa'yo ko kindergarten. Pero, pag pumunta ko sa first year ng kindergarten, ipabalik pa ko. Kaya para sakto na ang edad. So, okay na sa ako. So, okay na. May buot. And then, I'm gonna say, when I was in grade 1, okay na. Ito, grade 1 ako. But then, mag-grade 2 na ako, ipabalik ko grade 1. So, at that time, it was okay, no? Pero later part of elementary, I realized na, ako mga kabatch at yung kindergarten ng grade 1, ako naman, ahead na kaysa ako. So I was, nalain ko gamay ba? Sa akong mama kay, akong mama, she was a teacher, pero siya pag yung nabugos, namubalik ko. So, well, it was later, it was a silent lesson that my mother gave me. It was a lesson of humility na dapat, no? Yeah, you have to learn, no? And I realized na, I think saan ko man po di ay, kaedad naman ako sila, Julian, si Beth, si Gino, si Jean, of course si Ipa, no? Mali, no? So, mapas Mayra, mapas ako sila, no? So, it was a learning, first of my learning experience, lesson for me, na it's, well, things really have a purpose. Yeah. Sorry, akong notes sa kay Gino, medyo
Senior moment.
I still remember our kindergarten na kainom ko napay rocking horse. No, it was a wooden rocking horse sa likod. And during breaks, dito mi sa likod, rocking. No? And I think it was my second year as a kindergarten. Ituluan din ko sulat sa akong ngalan na tinaksa. I clearly remember it was Miss Utilo actually. And it was very special for me. And I can still remember that. So, karon na sige na kong kita si Mrs. Utilo, karon na bali na siya na sige pa-check up sa ako. still recall that, no? And it was something I cherished all my life. No? So moto, got twice ko na grade school and it was later I realized okay lang na niya. My father was, we call our father Tatang, no? Tungkol kay Ilocano man. So, Tatang, ito si Mama. And we were 6, I mentioned earlier, we were 6 in the family. And my Tatang was more of a farmer. It wasn't much of a manager for us. Farmer, kay kung weekends, ano sa farm. No? So, we envy those classmates na pag weekends, hay-hay, suloy. Kami pina sa farm. And it was like the whole from grade school down to high school, college, magyapon. Pag Sunday, automatic, at farm. It was only during my med school na medyo tungkol kay grabe na lugar ang pagtuon. Na-accepted ko, sobrang bahala ng lisod ang med school. It was really challenging for me, no, ang med school. I was an average student, no. Pero during med school, dito na ko na ka-experience na ang grado na ko way below. Kanang as in. Kung isang highest ka, bagsak kaya pumutanan. Kung nana, di ba? Grabe. But we went to the Philippine Orthopedic Center 4 years after I became an orthopedic surgeon. That time I was already practicing, and then my wife decided to na mag-pursue sa iyang PhD. She was then a marine biologist, a scientist. She was accepted sa Germany. But it was a 3-year period yung ihatag sa iya. So we had to decide. My son was only 4 years old. So I was already practicing.
Administrator, Ms. Wendy Torres, also our school principal, Ms. Alde, and the PFC officers, headed by Sir Gino Tugot, for the photo opportunity with Dr. Kelvin.
Lanterns twinkle down each hall, his light we share. Children's laughter fills the air with care. Hand in hand we walk in faith, so bright. Holy Cross High School, bathed in holy light. With humble hearts in all we do, with caring love, we're faithful and true. A prayerful life, our guiding hand at Holy Cross. Christmas is grand. Christmas at Holy Cross. Everybody dance! With joy and peace together at heaven's gate. Keep on! Faithful, professional. Rock seekers! With hearts of resilience. Shine through.
Isa ba itong gikuan na nito si Vico Manegre. Ug si uban pa. Hantod nilanding yun sa ako. Pero wholeheartedly accepted. Sisters, manguti ko sa kusinalan na kay para dili ko magsayo. Good afternoon, everybody. To our dear, very young and will always be young teachers, present teachers of Holy Cross High School in
Thank you kay ma.
Kay drone
Oh, di ba human drone? Ano, apo di may human drone, oh? Pakita mo sila.
Thank you.
Batchmate, ha? Batchmate, batchmate, ha? Classmate ka sa...
Lisod po mo ako di 65 hindi ta basket.
Kung sa kitong kang seksyon?
Andrew.
Oh, ulo. Ala, classmate, ito.
Si Samuel atong president. Dili man gyud siya mo. Daparugon nakakaroon mo kailan na.
Wala lagi ko ka
Ang atong bus ang naghagwapo ang sentando.
Mo din si Willie Imano, si Samuel
Chavez,
Amores.
Si
Ang gusto
Kirito.
pa hinumdum ni mo.
Lagi laparuha kay wala kay ilan nimo.
Luwes mo.
Daparugon ako ng
Ako
kilay.
grado kay 75 na magito.
Ang juga la diri.
Gay. Asa naman si you?
Kalimot siya.
Wala siya na dagi.
Pero kita di man ta classmate.
Pero kailan gyud?
Close ta kay social kuan ba kay ka.
Mga pinubre man ni sumura.
Kuan ba ya jud kay ka kanang masociable ba ya kay ka.
Isa may dato sa atong panahonan. Isa may dato.
Kani kay naitindahan sa social na asa ko.
Natay section na magkaklase sa. Feel mo nga batch, oh, di ba? Kaya karon gyud liseyo naman kay siya. Likos pa man siya. Oh, di ba? Dili sa unang liseyo sunod. Son. Pag liseyo mo.
Tora dito gang. Kala din higid mi sa una mag-flag ceremony, guys. Look at this, guys. School clinic. Oh my God, Lord, it's been so nostalgic. Atong mga classmates. Atong room sa una sa third year. Third year. Oh, third year na din ha sa una. Atong second year dito. St. James Receiver. Oh my goodness. Grabe, so nostalgic. Right? Ako mga beautiful batchmates. Diri mi ato. Holy Cross High School. St. James. O ni Remedio ni Remy ba Remy? Remedio. Di atong classmate na babae. Remy nga. Gwapo kay siya agi. Siya gito ipasulat sa teacher.
Lagi pa sa Lumbia pero maghimo siya ka ng cafe ka ng kuan sila. Undang.
Put up sila pop-up store. Okay naman. Sa
Hello.
Lumbia?
Lumbia.
Hi!
Alam mo, lagi. Kailan day ka big?
Eh, syempre, sweeto man na
Pakasmot.
si Mama Ribik at dito
Oo.
man. Kuan man good
RDO sa Region 10.
So, video ko
bangit
yung
na,
mga
uy.
balay diha.
Bangit,
Bangit
kaayo.
dinhi. Kana aron akong himuag YouTube channel nga mo uni.
Oh,
Mingon ni
basta
Kuros
sa-
dato kay mo sa una no kay inyohang samin sa inyong balay kay kanang glass ba.
Glass nga.
Uy dato pa din mi sa una. Ako nang gion dinhi. Dara street A gamay sa una dako kay na karon
Aw,
naman
eh,
na
ka.
mura nagkanan.
Mura nagkanan.
Kana og ang mga balay dayon.
Kami dayon street B.
Asa man ang until dito
Kani
mga
sunod.
balay nga mga staff.
Amo na ni?
Oh,
Pasudlo nun.
Oh, diri ila Amy Street
Oh.
B.
Ay, pasudlo nun.
Here is Street B.
Bantol pa ni oh. Oh, ila
Diri
bantol.
ilang Alvarez, mo ni ilang Alvarez.
Oo ka tug sa sulod-sulod.
Nga pag magkuan gali din ha. Mag Rosary gali uyog jud kay lami ang snack.
Uy, katong ito nag-Black Rosary, bitaw may ila dahil. Kunya excited kay kung sa pagkaon. Kunya kay naglabas din si Mrs. Dahil ng isang pack na karamel na kanatong
Candy? Wala.
Wala.
Attend di dayon ni mga kana pa man mi ako magulang asa
Ang
day
gabi, oh.
uyog ta. Kanang layo, bang video hindi kanang layo.
Balik lang.
Basig na pa.
No, many things can happen. And so for the food that we set before us, we thank you for the hands that have generously prepared this food set before us.
Dili ang grado 75 ron mo sa una.
Wherever life has led you, whether in your professions, in your families and communities, you carry with you the imprint of this school because your accomplishments bring honor to your alma mater, but even more, your values and commitment to service reveal the true measure of success that we celebrate this afternoon. As we mark the 75th milestone, we
And of course, our judge number 3.